guys, welcome to Mania. Today I'm not going to show you anything related to Kingdom blocks, but today I have bought a set which is like Lego, but it's not, and I'm going to show you how it looks. See, this is a Ferrari F40. It comes with two minifigures. The racer is Jason and the photographer is Lassa. The names are given in the box at the side. So here's the front of the box. The top of the box comes with a small handle, so you can carry it around. And then this is the other side of the box. This is the back of the box. This comes with two sticker designs. One is with this plain red look, and then the other is with this sports stickers. I have not yet attached the sports stickers, but I have taken a few stickers and attached them here and there to make it a little nice. Without the sports sticker, it comes with this front logo with this F, and then at the side there is the same one on the door. These doors don't open, and also on the other side I've just added this Jason on the rear spoiler, and also like a small triangle in the front fender. The wheels come with a nice rim. It is white, and I really like how they designed the rear with all the lights and the grills, and also the down rear bumper. See, the headlights are also good, but now the interior is the next challenging. See inside, it is way cooler. We've got a shifter which you can make a minifigure hold it with its hand. We've got the steering wheel, we've got some gauges, and we also got some speakers. I'll remove this piece to show you the seats. See the seats. It comes with like a little curved red color covering with the grill again in the center. Then we get these glass type pieces for the the glass which will be able to view through the back in the car. And also these grill ideas. I never thought we could do the grills like this. And then now overall the doors. In usual Lego City, which is the same price of this car, with car chasers, we don't have like this grill slanted in the door, while this has. This rear bumper was a little complex. We had to remove it, and it had many like bend attachments, and we could remove everything like separate. And the base, it all came in one single piece. Okay, now this was all about the car. We also get a few extra pieces for the minifigure. For the minifigures, we get for each a hand. The hand has some color difference for the racer. Search in Amazon for orange block. You might find this Ferrari or many other cars like this. I've given the products link in the description. You can also buy and enjoy these blocks. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, hit the like button. See you next time for the interesting object to build. Bye.